Hey, what's going on, everybody? Kelvin here with my niche profit fast track review. All right, now I'm gonna get right into it. I'm not gonna waste time, but I don't want, I'm not promoting niche profit fast track. All right, I just want to give you a comparison of niche profit fast track. All right, so what is niche profit fast track? All right, it is a web based software and training program. All right, created by Adam Short and Bobby McLeese. All right, which costs $2,497 or three payments of $997. All right. Now, if you looking at niche profit fast track, you will want this to fast track you to income, right? So you're going to spend $2,500. You want to be able to start making money like as soon as possible, right? You want your investment back, right? But with niche profit fast track, right? You got to go through all these different courses. Okay, you go through a 60-day live coaching program. All right, 60-day boot camp. All right, so and then apart from that, there's also 12 months of training and coaching, which will help you launch websites. So when you join this, naturally, you got to learn like a whole bunch of different stuff. All right, even before you possibly get it together and start making money, right? All right, so I'm going to show you something. It's a lot simpler and a lot faster to get started and a lot cheaper. All right, it's my abundance network, guys. All right, now what is my abundance network? My abundance network is pretty much a software or a platform that runs artificial intelligence, which is just a robot that makes sales for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All right. I've only started probably 3 days ago. All right. This is why I have no sales yet. Okay. Boom. Just started 3 days ago. But I'm already getting leads coming in. Okay. It didn't take me 60 days to learn this. Like I said, I just signed up a few days ago. Today's the 16th. I think I signed up on the 12th or 13th. Yeah. So I mean, it's real simple. It's quick, and all you do is promote a number. And when people get this number or go to this website, your robot is going to make the sales for you. Okay? And it's just that simple. You have a robot that's going to make you sales of $100 over and over and over again. And all you got to do is send traffic to it. And better yet, what makes it even better, if you already in another program, the robot promotes your program on the back end. Don't get no sweeter than that, guys. All right. So if you'd like to get started with Abundance Network, right below this video, there is a link. And when you join me with Abundance Network, I'm going to show you how. Well, I guess I'm still showing you because you're getting it from me, right? But you're going to get access to my mobile marketing code. Okay. This is a bonus when you join with me. This system, mobile marketing code, sells for $497. Created by Richard O'Brien. All right. simply to walk you through. There's your game plan, your blueprint, how to do mobile prospecting, all right, um, mobile follow up, and you learn all this in less than 60 days, guys, and a whole lot cheaper. All right, you have pre-written text messages. All right, how to script your lead list for mobile. All right, text prospector, how to send a text, how to import a contact. Like, you learn everything in here to market mobile. Okay, how to write a great text message, how to use keywords to generate leads, SMS versus MMS give strategy. All right, like, there's so much value in mobile marketing code, guys. Like, this will have you, and once you, this is the bonus member section inside of mobile marketing code. Okay, vacation bonus. You get a free vacation. All right. Um, content creation app suite, YouTube marketing code, Facebook marketing code. All right. How to brand you. All right. People join people, not businesses. People join the business because of the person. All right. So, on that note, branding you is very important. Okay. Excuse me. Funnels, mobile funnels, lead magnets. Excuse me, which help you track more leads. All right. Auto recruiting through SMS bot and Facebook chats. All right. And like I said, guys, this is a $497 course created by Richard O'Brien. All right. And when you join me, you'll actually get access to this for free. Okay. And another bonus, guys, what I'm doing also when you join me, um, I'm gonna, once you join and you get your link, you're going to get me your link, and I'm going to put your link in my rotator, and I'm going to help you get traffic and start driving leads and sales to your newfound business, the Abundance Network. All right. So, guys, first thing you want to do, if you had not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell so you get notifications when I upload new videos. Number 2, right under this video in the description, there is a link to get started with me with Abundance Network. Okay? Click on that link, get started, go through the process. And once you get started, you will get mobile marketing code as a bonus for joining with me, which is a $497 course. You'll get it for free. Plus, you'll also get added to my rotator to where I send traffic, and I'll help you start getting sales and traffic. All right, while you're learning is to get sales and traffic on your own. All right. Again, this is Kelvin Rogers. Until next time, guys, take care, and I'll chat with you all soon.